What can you do with an architectural technology diploma? Have you ever walked past a skyscraper, a school, a beautiful home, a wonderfully crafted space or a place and wondered, how did somebody learn how to actually build that? And what makes it a successful design? What causes us as humans to be inspired by buildings, structures, and spaces? This answer is not a simple one to answer, but I can tell you that architectural technologists play an incredibly important role within this process. They act as one of many experts that work together to bring inspiration into reality. Today, we will delve into architectural technology and their role as experts in an integrated design process and the architectural design and construction industry, which we refer to as AD&C. My name is Heather Arthurs, and I'm the program lead for the School of Built Environments and Design. Within this team is the Department of Architectural Technology. Today, I'm here to share with you the path to training for a career in architectural technology. Architectural technologists are the people who develop design dreams into building places and spaces. I'm also going to share with you how MCG Career College can train you to do this in just 2 years. If you're a creative person and enjoy problem solving and bringing your designs into built reality, this may be a career path that you'll be interested in. So we begin at the beginning. What is an architectural technologist? Well, design is driven by architects and interior designers. However, there are many experts that bring these designs into reality. We need engineers, technologists, site experts, project managers, all sorts of different experts to work together to create successful projects. Within this industry, we all have our own specialty. I, for example, was trained as a space specialist, and architectural technologists are trained to bring these visions into reality through creation, management, and ownership of the construction design drawings and the working drawing package. As a valued and crucial part of the team, architectural technologists manage the site and work as a liaison to the entire back-end team of consultants who are needed to make buildings work, stand up, and be experienced. Often, this requires you to think outside the box when given a wild or loose concept that you must clean up, interpret, apply, building codes to make sure that it works with ergonomics and human standards, and then map it out entirely in 2 dimensions through drawings and also through 3 dimensions through models and renderings. This profession takes you into work sites where you learn from experts in the field and gain skills that can lead to project management and growth within the industry. You literally translate creativity into construction and then into reality. Architectural technologists are the people behind the scenes, drawing construction documents using AutoCAD, BIM, Revit software, 3D modeling, and they also are experts in code, making sure that everything adheres to local jurisdictions. They collaborate with architects, engineers, designers every day, and they are a major player on the build. We trust these guys to get the work done. They're often quiet leaders, the trusted experts, the technical brains behind every smart building in your city. These are the folks that tend to be a little more inward-facing, focusing on the group and the site rather than interfacing as much with the client. Also, in our industry, they are those who support and demand continual education and study. In our industry, education is continually supported through study and continual learning. And for that reason, when any of us enter the field in one position, we often will be trained and educated from within and move into other positions. Architectural technology is a gateway where you can see where you want to land and make your path to it with a strong set of tools you build in technology school here at MCG Career College. Once you have your diploma, you begin at the drafting level. Site inspections, site measurements. You begin to show you understand the conventions and expectations of our industry. Because in our industry, the diploma just gets you in the door. Your real learning begins in the workplace, and our job is to get you ready for that. In time, you could be a CAD technologist, drafting high-level or detailed plans, a code specialist who makes sure that every structure is legal and safe and adheres to local jurisdictions, a BIM technologist creating 3D and 2D digital models of entire buildings, sites, and spaces, an estimator who calculates costs and material needs, or a project manager who works with cities, construction companies. You can also work with design firms or clients, homeowners. There's always so much to learn and so much opportunity. With additional training, this can lead into project management or contract administration, or even into working to becoming a sustainability expert. This isn't just a job, it's a career, and it's a launch pad. Some of our grads go on to become project managers, sustainability consultants, or pursue architecture down the road through continued education. MCG Career College has built this program specifically to get you job ready as quickly as possible. You're not sitting in a lecture hall. You're learning from people who've actually worked and do work in the industry. You're getting hands-on training using real tools like AutoCAD, Revit, and SketchUp. You're learning how to read plans, write specifications, understand zoning laws, and create the documents that literally guide the builders to interpreting the vision into reality. Small classes, real mentorship, and no extra fluff, just the exact stuff you are going to need to get hired and start working and earning in our industry. Right now, Alberta and all of Canada is booming with new development. Homes, commercial buildings, skyscrapers, truly sustainable construction is blooming in the heart of Calgary. Our downtown core and East Village boasts skyscrapers that were designed by 2 of the 3 top architecture firms in the world. Architects who focus on biomimicry, the human experience, and true sustainability. We are in the right place at the right time, and you have an opportunity here to be a part of this with us. I'm going to be honest with you, it will not be easy, but then again, nothing really worth having ever is. It is worth it though. This is your ticket and your passport to create opportunities right in the heart of this exciting time. If you train now, you're walking into one of the most in-demand future-proof careers out in the world today. If you're interested or passionate about art, design, architecture, problem solving, construction, and as a side, if you like things like Minecraft or Lego, in here with us, you'll be able to actually be a part of the building and creating the world around you. If you're looking for a sign, this is it. MCG Career College will train you, support you, and launch you into the industry.
MCG, making communities great.